Whether you're an upland bird hunter, a big game hunter, a rancher, someone living in town, everything that we do is tied to these areas. They store and hold water in our floodplains. They produce critical forage for livestock and wildlife. And we couldn't be out here on these grasslands without the important water and forage resources that they provide. A bunch of partners got together and sat around the table and decided that we knew a lot about how to take care of our uplands in the grasslands, but we didn't know a lot about how to take care of our bottomlands. We didn't understand these complex systems very well, and we didn't know how to support them and what actions we needed to take as resource professionals and land managers to really help them thrive in this ecosystem. Whether you're someone who wants to manage a parcel for wildlife or livestock or for downstream drinking water, I think there is now a mutual understanding that we have to take care of the land in order for it to take care of us. And so we can't keep asking things of it if we don't give something back. And working in these riparian areas, working on erosion control, working on recovering our plant communities is a tool we have to take care of that land so it can keep taking care of us.